How many times have you searched on YouTube, Google, or social media for how to earn money online as a student, part time jobs for students, or earn from home? Probably countless times, and still, no real solution. I was exactly like you, frustrated, confused, searching everywhere, trying everything, but nothing worked until I found something that actually changed my life. And today, in the next few minutes, I am going to share that with you so that you don't have to struggle like I did. I am MD Arif. I am a college student just like you. And I know exactly how it feels when pocket money runs out, when you have to ask parents for every small expense, when you want to do something big but don't know where to start. I have been there. And that is exactly why I made this video for you. So let's get started. I talk to hundreds of students every single day. And everyone has the same story: college fees are due, but you have to ask your parents. You want to go out with friends, but your pocket money is finished. You want to buy a laptop or do a course, but there is no money. And when you try to find a part time job, they ask for experience. When you try freelancing, they ask for skills. You watch countless videos, get confused, and end up doing nothing. Same routine, same life. Does this sound familiar? I know it does. Here is the hard truth. The problem is not that you cannot work hard. The problem is you do not have a skill that the market values. A doctor earns 50,000 rupees for one surgery. Why? Skill. A video editor earns 5 to 10,000 rupees per video. Why? Skill. A graphic designer earns 15 to 20,000 rupees per month from brands. Why? Skill. You do not need money. You need a skill. And once you have the skill, money follows automatically. Simple. Now let me introduce you to Gyankamao. Gyankamao is an online learning platform where you learn industry-level digital skills from absolute scratch. What will you learn here? Let me tell you. Graphic designing, Canva, Photoshop, photo editing, video editing. You can learn how to create stunning visuals and professional videos. Then there is personality development, communication skills, branding, sales skills, business basics. These are life skills that will help you in every field. Then comes digital marketing, Facebook marketing, Instagram marketing, WhatsApp marketing, YouTube marketing, complete digital marketing training. You can learn how to grow any business online. Then there are advanced skills: stock market, cryptocurrency, blockchain, website development, C++ programming, and the most important skills for the future: artificial intelligence, ChatGPT, prompt engineering, AI productivity and creativity, advanced AI sales and marketing, business automation, advanced ChatGPT workflows. Everything you need to become future ready is available on Gyankamao. It is a complete platform, step-by-step courses, beginner-friendly, lifetime access, new courses keep getting added. This is not just a learning platform, this is your gateway to a skilled future. Now, the company has divided all these courses into different packages, so you can choose according to your need and budget. Let me quickly tell you about them. Silver package, price is 1,100 rupees. Gold package, price is 2,200 rupees. Diamond package, price is 4,400 rupees. Platinum package, price is 8,800 rupees. Premium package, price is 17,600 rupees. And Premium Plus package, price is 35,200 rupees. So whatever your interest is, whatever your budget is, there is a package for you. The skills you learn here will stay with you for life. And remember, the best investment you can make is in yourself. Now, if you have watched this video till here, congratulations, because you are a serious person and you truly want to grow in your life. Now, I will tell you exactly what work you have to do here. So, watch very carefully. There are 3 ways you can earn through Gyankamao. Number 1, provide services. You must have seen so many ads on YouTube, so many ads on Instagram. If you learn how to create those ads from here and you make them for someone, will you give it for free? No, you will charge money for it, right? So you learn the skill, you provide the service, and you get paid. Simple. Number 2, affiliate model. When you start earning by providing services, the people who know you, the people who watch you, they will ask you, what do you do? How do you earn? You will tell them honestly. There is a platform called Gyankamao. I learned skills from there. And that is why I am able to earn today. Now suppose someone is interested. They want to learn, they want to join. The company gives you a direct earning just because that person came through you. You are not selling anything. You are just sharing your genuine experience, and when someone joins through you, you earn. Number 3. Job. You know the job condition in India. If you do not have good skills, you will not get a good job quickly. You will have to struggle. You will have to run from place to place. To avoid that struggle in the future, you need to learn skills here and collect your government verified certificate so that you can apply for a job anywhere with confidence. Your certificate proves that you have the skill, and companies value that. So these are the 3 paths: services, affiliate, job. 3 solid ways to build your future. Now let's talk about investment, because yes, you will have to invest some money here, but think about it. You have been studying for how many years now? 10 years? 12 years? How much money has already been invested in your education? Lakhs of rupees? Right? You have been paying fees since childhood. Have you earned anything till now? No, because nobody taught you how to earn. But here, you invest once, you learn a skill, and that skill helps you earn for life. The investment here is not an expense. It is a ticket to your earning journey. Let me give you a real life example. A doctor invests 25 lakh rupees in medical college, then he earns. A CA student invests thousands in coaching, then he earns. You are hesitating to invest even 1,100 rupees in a skill that can change your entire future? Think about it. This small investment is the first step towards your independence. Now when you join, you are not left alone. You will be added to the official Gyan Kamao group. There you will receive proper training, step by step. Everything will be taught, no confusion, no guesswork, complete handholding. And after you complete your course, you will receive a government-verified certificate with the official founder's signature. This certificate has value. It helps you get freelance work. It helps you get jobs. Everything is government-verified. Now let me give you a quick overview. Gyan Kamao is an online learning platform with 6 packages. Silver at 1,100 rupees. Gold at 2,200 rupees, Diamond at 4,400 rupees, Platinum at 8,800 rupees, Premium at 17,600 rupees, and Premium Plus at 35,200 rupees. If you start with Silver and work daily, you can earn up to 700 rupees. If you start with Gold and work daily, you can earn up to 1,400 rupees. If you start with Diamond, you can earn up to 2,800 rupees, Platinum up to 5,600 rupees, Premium up to 11,200 rupees, Premium Plus up to 22,400 rupees. This is what students are already achieving. Real results, real growth. Now I want to share something personal. 1.5 years ago, this same opportunity came to me. I had a choice. I could ignore it and stay where I was. Or I could take a decision. I took the decision. And because of that decision, today I am stable in my life. I am growing every day. And it is not just me. Look at these results. These are some of my students who took the decision. Today they are creating income for themselves. This can be you too. But opportunities do not come again and again. You have to grab them when they come. Let me tell you one more thing. Our parents are from the old generation. They do not know about skills. They do not know that people are earning lakhs from social media. But we are the new generation. We know this. We see this every day. We know what is possible. So we have to take our own decisions. We have to build our own future. Nobody else will do it for us. So now it is your turn. The person who shared this presentation video with you, message them on WhatsApp right now. Tell them, I want to start. Tell them which package you want. They will add you to the official group. Your training will begin. Your journey will start today. Do not delay. Do not overthink. Seats are limited. The opportunity is real. The platform is government verified. The training is provided. The community is waiting for you. All you have to do is take the first step. Message them now. Say, I want to start. Your new life begins today. See you inside Gyan Kamao.